Now we can see on our USD card, as we can see, we are actually falling, right? I believe that we will see a little bit of a drop, then a bullish move. It depends on how our USD card moves. By the way, we are waiting for a bullish move. We would want to take a buy on our USD card. That's exactly what we are planning to do. But let's see if we can see a little bit of a drop, because as you can see, we are seeing a rejection here. We can see this long wick. This is trying to trade that price is now trying to push up. By the way, let's go on our 4-hour time frame, and we can see on our this thing, we can see that we are still, it wants to start giving us a bullish move. But I want to still wait a little bit. Let's see if you can see a drop one more time, then we can actually now take a buy on our USD card, because our USD is actually going to be going bullish on the 7th. So it depends on how massive it's going to move, then it will reflect on our USD card. You can actually get that bullish move on our USD card. So above all, let's try and wait till we can get a little drop. Let's see, let me mark this area here. So let's see if we can get a little drop here, and probably then we can actually now see a rise, or probably this area here. I want to see probably a drop here on this my area before I actually take a buy. And if you want to take your buy, the suggestion I will give to you is that go on your 30-minute time frame, right? When you see multiple break of structure upward, when our price is going, breaking structure, giving us, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then our advice actually not take your buy. It is actually a buy signal, actually a buy position. That is if you sit on your 30 minutes and your 20 minutes time frame, then actually not take your buy. So that's exactly our analysis for today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.